Okay, what's up, class? Moving through tutorial 5 now for you guys. So let me drag it over, sorry. I'm going to do this one real quick. Show two different ways to do it. But write a short program that uses the random number generator function randy to determine how many random integers between 1 and 10 it will take to add up to 100 or more. Display your output in sentence form. This would be a while loop. Awesome. Okay. So a lot of you guys are like, what's randy? How do I use randy? Well, there's two options for you. That you just try it and be like, randy 10. And it's like, well, what did that do? Randy 8. And that's hard to kind of see what's going on there. Okay, but you could do doc randy, and this thing brings up a browsing window inside, or help window inside of Matlab that's been able to help you out. It gives syntax, it gives everything. So this is a very important tool to help you if you're not helpless. Okay. Close. Randy IMAX. Okay. So it returns a pseudo-random scalar integer between 1 and IMAX. So I put 10 in and just outputted a number, returned a number between 1 and 10, a random number. Put 3 in, a random number between 1 and 3. Now, IMAX n returns an n by n matrix of random integers drawn from discrete uniform distribution with interval 1 between IMAX. So just basically between 1, if I put 10 for IMAX and then 10 for this, it would return a 10 by 10 matrix of random numbers between 1 and 10. Okay? And then you can do size. So what I'm going to do to show you real quick, something like this. So I've got randy 10, 1 to 10. So this is going to make what? A vector or array with 1 row, 10 columns with random numbers between 1 and 10. Cool. Okay, so now let's go back to this code.
Hello.
Hey! Once again, we are running a short program. It'll count how many numbers between random numbers between 1 and 10 to add up to 100 or more. Okay. So let's work through this. Cool. Okay. Whoops. I'm all over the place. Okay. So first, the while loop is going to be what? While some number, sum, is less than or equal to less than 100, because when it adds up to 100, the loop will work. So once again, you start, this is kind of like when we did the sum function. We do sum equals 0. So while this number that's increasing each time in here, okay, sum is less than 100, then this loop keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, okay? So sum is going to be added, sum plus randy 10. Each time through there, it's going to be adding a random number between 1 and 10. Cool. So then we need to count how many times it goes through this loop. So counter, we start at 0. And each time it goes through this while loop, we're going to add to 1. So it's going to be counter plus 1. So we add 1 to that variable every time it goes through this loop. Okay, so let's run this, see what happens. Okay, so we do, we get a statement. Tutorial 5 on 3. Tutorial 5 on 3. Bam. So counter 14, sum equals 101. Okay, let's try again. 21, 103. So seems pretty good. We're getting different numbers each time. Okay. So once again, it's adding a random number between 1 and 10 to the sum each time it goes through. Okay? I think this is the most efficient way to do it. Now that we have this counter, we got to print how many times it does it. Okay? So we're using fprintf, which allows you to combine a string and a variable into an output. Okay? And it took %.0f, so that's where the count is going in. Integer, random integers between, did I spell integer right? This is embarrassing. I did. Random integers between 1 and 10 to add up to 100. Okay. We're going to do backslash new line, close, and do what's going in there, count. And bam. Okay, so let's run it again. T5, 3. Tick 19, T5, T5, And now if we, got the same thing again. By the way, add this clear thing. I think it's working pretty well. We're just clearing it each time. I'm clearing this. So if you want to start adding that in your code, this reduces the chance of error with variables overlapping. Okay. Just so real quick, we see the breakpoint and see what's happening each time. So run, bam, let's go step. Let's watch the sum increase. So the time increased by 6, and increased by 5, and increased by 1, and increased by 3, and so on and so forth. So you can see how it's a random number each time. 2. Cool. Okay. So this is once again how I thought through the solution of tutorial 5, problem 3. Thank you. More to come.